stays like this? What have I done to my hair? I'm trying to grow this hair and I'm not paying attention to it and I'm neglecting it. You know, anything you don't pay attention to, it won't grow, it won't be healthy, it won't look proper. And even your favorite things is in this particular hair mask. One other thing I love about the hair mask, oh my god, it smells so good. And when I say so good, it smells so good because it's cooked. I like kind of taste it because it smells so good. When I and I really hope you guys love this video. And if you do, don't forget to like, share, comment,